Learn accounting, Excel, and business the smart way. Channel intro. Welcome. If you want to actually understand accounting, business, finance, and Excel, not just memorizing theory, you are in the right place. This channel is for students, freelancers, professionals, business owners who want real skills, confidence, and practical knowledge. Here we cover everything you need to succeed. Accounting fundamentals, explain simply business and finance concepts that actually matter. Excel skills for practical work and automation. And real tools including templates and VBA projects that you can use right away in jobs, freelancing or your own business. My approach is different. Each video focuses on a single topic, explained deeply but simply. No unnecessary theory, no overwhelming slides, just clear explanations and practical examples that you can actually use. We focus on understanding first so you feel confident applying it in real life. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn and apply knowledge. Students learning accounting and finance, professionals who want to strengthen their Excel and analytical skills, freelancers who solve real business problems, and business owners who want to manage finances confidently. Our video includes practical Excel examples. You will see automation using VBA, Visual Basic for applications, accounting tools, Windows desktops, apps, built-in WPF, and ready-to-use templates. My goal is that by watching and practicing, you can take what you learn and immediately apply it in jobs, freelancing, or your business. By subscribing, you get access to a library of videos. You can learn from it at your own pace. Tools that make your work easier and skills that are valuable in your career or business. New content is added regularly, focused, practical, and easy to follow. If this approach fits the way you want to learn, hit subscribe. Comment below what topics you want to see next and join this journey to real accounting, business, and Excel skills. Let's build practical knowledge together. Skills you can use, not just memorize. Thank you very much.